Hey Sunshine, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into Ugadi, the celebration of life. It's a festival filled with traditions, delicious food, and deep scientific meaning. So, if you have ever wondered why we celebrate Ugadi and what makes it so special, stay with me till the end to know the scientific reasons. What is Ugadi? Ugadi comes from Yuga, the age, and Adi, the beginning, meaning the beginning of a new era. Ugadi marks as the first day of Hindu lunisolar calendar. It is believed that Lord Brahma started the creation of universe on this day. Ugadi is not just about mythology, it is deeply connected to astronomy and seasonal changes. It coincides with spring equinox, a time where nature renews itself from fresh blooms, longer days, and warmer weather. The festival is all about embracing new beginnings in the alignment with nature. How is Ugadi celebrated? Families wake up early in the morning, clean their homes, take Abhignana Snanam, that is the oil bath, an ancient practice that detoxifies the body and mind. They wear new clothes and decorate the houses with mango leaves and Rangoli. Then the elders of the family read Panchangam, that is the Hindu almanac, which predicts what the new year holds. Temples are filled with the devotees offering prayers to Lord Vishnu, Goddess Lakshmi, and Lord Rama. It's the day of fresh beginnings, gratitude, and positivity. Now let's understand the science behind these Ugadi rituals. Number 1, Panchangam, that is reading the Panchangam. Traditionally, Panchangam provides astrological predictions for the year, guiding people on the auspicious days and the planetary influences. But scientifically, it is based on the precise calculation of solar, lunar, and the planetary motions. Ancient scholars tracked the celestial bodies to determine seasons, eclipses, and the auspicious timings, like the modern weather forecast. It helps plan farming cycles and personal activities in alignment with natural rhythms. Number 2 is Abhignana Snanam, that is oil bath. Traditionally, this is believed to purify the body and soul before stepping into the new year. Basically, it's a cleansing ritual. But scientifically, taking a bath with warm water and sesame oil nourishes the skin. It improves blood circulation and regulates the body temperature. As the season transitions from spring to summer, this practice helps the body to adapt the changes and the weather conditions. Have you ever wondered why we hang mango leaves at the entrance of our homes during festivals and special occasions? Because mango leaves release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, making the air around your home fresher and healthier. They also act as natural air purifiers by absorbing dust, smoke, and harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Mango leaves contain powerful components which helps in killing bacteria and prevent airborne infections. And did you know that the scent of mango leaves naturally repels mosquitoes, flies, and pests, keeping your home safe? Beyond science, mango leaf symbolizes prosperity, positivity, and divine blessings, making them an essential part of our Indian culture. So next time when you are seeing the mango leaves, remember it's not just for decoration, it's the nature's way of protecting and blessing your home. Rangoli. Traditionally, they say we invite Goddess Lakshmi, that is the prosperity, into our home. But scientifically, Rangoli is made using rice flour, which feeds ants and small insects, promoting ecological balance. The symmetrical patterns enhance concentration, creativity, and cognitive skills. And finally, I know that you're waiting for this, that is Ugadi Pachadi. We can eat that for the entire day. And this represents life experiences: joy, sorrow, anger, surprise, fear, and balance. There is scientific reason for each and every ingredient in it. Basically, we have 6 tastes in it, that is called Shadruchulu. So number 1 is neem flowers, which is for bitter. It boosts our immunity and purifies our blood. Jaggery, which is sweet. It provides instant energy and improves digestion. Tamarind, it's sour, aids in digestion and detoxifies the liver. Raw mango, which is tangy. It is rich in vitamin C and preventing heat strokes in the summer. Green chilies, that is spicy, enhances metabolism and boosts immunity. Salt, it maintains electrolyte balance in the body. Did you see how many health benefits do we have for our body by eating just Ugadi Pachadi? So this time when you're making it, feel the essence of every ingredient that is useful to your body. And this time, you know the scientific explanation and remember this and tell it to your family if needed.